Why?
Teach you guys anything, you don't listen. Get the hell out. Dude, you're a turkey. You are. Look at you, turkey. I called you in. I called you turkeys in here.
I think you called them out, dude. You're like, oh man, you're gonna be shitting me. Oh my god, I can't take it. It's fairly good. I can definitely see why you didn't get any turkeys.
Get out of here. Get out of here. This is my house.
What the?
Go back to the house. I heard the turkeys calling you.
Oh no.
Goodbye.
This is the first day of turkey season. We're out here.
It's going well. Actually,
Got lots of turkeys so far.
there's 2 turkeys right out here in front and like 3 right here in the back.
3.
All over us. I can't move. You know, can't make any noise at all. Gotta be quiet. Super quiet. Alright, we're gonna get him.
Okay, I'm getting in there.
Quit.
I'm doing it too.
No, man.
Yes.
Fine then, I'm not getting in.
And I'm gonna stay out here and hunt. And shoot all your turkeys you see.
Then I'm getting out.
I'm shooting all your turkeys you see. Turkeys. I'm shooting all your turkeys you see.
Okay, go shoot them.
They're not here.
We'll go look for them. They're right there, I see them.
I'm gonna shoot them. You won't shoot them.
Hey!
I shot them with
You shot my $50 turkey.
How come you didn't put the Jake out there?
Big one?
There is.
Why didn't you put the hen out there?
There is.
You still got a new one in there.
Huh?
You still got a turkey in there, don't you?
The big one.
What's wrong with that one?
Oh, they scare all the turkeys away. Scares me. You know what you told me?
No, the other one scares me. I thought we were talking about that one the whole time.
That one. That turkey right there. Yeah.
Got some turkeys right
I
there.
don't suppose we can undo that rope on that side.
On which side?
That side?
The right side?
Yeah, where them guys are at.
Why?
Because this one right arm isn't in the slot.
We'll see what we can do about it. Me?
Get away. Hayden. Get the hell out of here.
Is that loose enough?
It can get over there.
Huh?
You need to get 2 more of these chairs. These small ones.
Yeah.
They work pretty good.
Yeah. They are pretty
Nice
good.
back on them. They're the right height for this blind. How is it for the other blind?
I don't know. I was sitting in the broken one.
You
Jeannie looked like she would be alright.